Hello. Today I'm going to discuss the history of Arkansas from 1960 to the present time. The presidency of Bill Clinton and the appointment of Hillary Clinton as Secretary of State placed Arkansas squarely in the center of the national political life. Sam Walton and the Tyson family accomplished the same on the economic scene. Efforts to improve education, social, and cultural life have also made significant impact. Our goal in this module is to identify the major events that have occurred since 1968, leaders involved in defining the vision for Arkansas in the modern world, and to identify those Arkansans who have made their mark on the recent national political, social, and economic scene, and to place the events of the modern era in the context of overall Arkansas history. The economy. During this period, the economy continued to diversify. Cattle raising, soybeans, and rice added variety to the agricultural sector, which remained dominant. The interstate highway system was built to crisscross the state and facilitate transportation. Arkansas Power and Light, AP&L, formed in 1913 by Harvey Couch. Couch was joined by Hamilton Moses a few years later. It continued to expand electrification throughout the state. The expansion of Walmart, Tyson, and other large companies in northwest Arkansas led to the development of the trucking industry to that area and the rest of the state. J.B. Hunt was founded by Johnny and Janelle Hunt in 1961. It became the third largest trucking firm across the entire country and also extended to Canada and Mexico. PAM, USA Truck, and others also developed. Stevens Inc. also continued to flourish. Economic growth spurred the need for supporting information technology. IBM was active throughout the state with its large-scale systems. Insurance, banking also needed those services. In a time of robust, knowledge-based business sector developed. Alltel was significant in communications. Axiom provided information and marketing service. Systematics provided data processing services. Hewlett-Packard developed customer support centers, and others developed in the state offering high-paying careers. Politics and government. Winthrop Rockefeller became governor in 1967 as the first Republican governor since the end of Reconstruction, due in large part to the support of a growing black electorate. He dismantled the old guard government that had prevailed and implemented a program of appointing professional administrators, restructuring government agencies, increasing taxes in support of education, and upholding civil rights. He clamped down on illegal gambling in hot springs, installed professional administrators for the penal system, and established the Department of Corrections. He did so with much resistance from the legislature. Dale Bumpers took office as governor in 1971, returning control to the Democrats and beginning a long run of moderate, reform-oriented governors. He reorganized state agencies, consolidating their responsibilities, continued focus on education, and took steps to improve the lives of the elderly and disabled. He left office after 2 terms to become U.S. Senator for Arkansas, defeating J.W. Fulbright for that office. David Pryor became governor in 1975. He continued Governor Bumper's consolidation of state agencies and appointed female and black leaders to the state Supreme Court in various administrative roles. In 1978, he won election as a U.S. Senator. Governor Bill Clinton served 2 terms, separated by a 4-year gap. He then became President of the United States. His terms were separated by the election of Frank White. In his first term, Clinton faced a Cuban refugee riot at Fort Chaffee and aggravated voters by increasing auto licensing fees. He managed to fight his way back into office after Frank White's 1 term and then went on to become president. Women participated in government in increasing numbers, elected state office, and at the federal level. In 1999, U.S. Senator Blanche Lincoln continued to build on the accomplishments Hattie Caraway made during the Great Depression and World War II. At the state level, Leslie Rutledge served as an Arkansas state attorney. The state's negative reputation continued. Specifically, Clinton's personal missteps in Whitewater and Monica Lewinsky incidents left him with a mixed legacy. Governor Jim Guy Tucker, after his conviction on income tax charges and fraud, was expelled from the governor's office by the Lieutenant Governor, Republican Mike Huckabee. Mike Huckabee went on to be elected governor and served from 1996 to 2007. He ran an unsuccessful presidential campaign as well. His daughter Sarah Huckabee Sanders later followed him as governor beginning in 2023. Culture and education. In 21st century, Arkansas supports a lively cultural environment. Music, especially the blues in the Delta, has always been important. 2 fine art museums, Crystal Bridges in Bentonville and the Arkansas Museum of Fine Arts, are world-class institutions, presenting significant educational programs and exhibitions. The Mosaic Templars Museum in Little Rock celebrates Black history and culture. The Clinton Presidential Library in Little Rock showcases the position of Arkansas leaders in the world scene. Higher education thrives through institutions like the University of Arkansas, Ouachita Baptist, Hendrix, Arkansas State, Arkansas Tech, the University of Central Arkansas, UAMS, and many private colleges, and a strong network of community colleges serve the state and help its residents compete in the 21st century world marketplace. Thank you.